Top 5 Digital Marketing Tips to Effectively Communicate with Your Audience. Timing is everything. No matter how you choose to communicate with your audience, connecting with them at the right time using the right platform is key for optimal performance and relationship building. Create relevancy and be helpful. Be very picky about what you say to your audience. To be safe, always keep it relevant to your industry and try to focus on giving them valuable pieces of information. Talk about them, not you. It can be tempting to always talk about how great your company, products, and services are. But what your audience really wants to hear is how you can help solve their wants and needs. Be versatile. Expand your reach by utilizing various digital channels to communicate with your audience. For instance, you can email, blog, and publish videos all at the same time to fully get your message across. Ask for engagement. When posting content, sending emails, creating videos, or using other forms of communication, always make your audience feel like their input matters. Encourage them to communicate back with you. Want instant access to more digital marketing tips? Download our free report today.